Now look guys, the R36S is cost $200. It's a video game, so I bought this on Shopee and we're gonna get unboxing. Let's get to unboxing, let's go. The unboxing with my package, so let's keep it open. I'm gonna get him out. Give me a knife. There you go. Okay, let's put this down. The R36S from China, so let's open up. Yeah. This is why we give this to us. Guys, please welcome the R36S. You've never seen R36S before? Let's turn it on. Well, I'll be right back. Alright. So, this is our R36S. Here we are in the game. So let's see which game I'm gonna choose. I wish I had a game. Hold up. My favorite game is Super Mario World. You remember it? Back in 2022 on video? Who cares? Well, that's the R36S for ya. Subscribe to my channel.